Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a clock in chess. A chess clock is a crucial tool that introduces a time limit to the game, preventing excessively long matches. It features two independent timers, one for each player, ensuring fairness. After you complete your move, you press the button on your side of the clock, which stops your timer and simultaneously starts your opponent's. This simple action keeps the game flowing and adds an exciting strategic element. Operating a chess clock is straightforward. Position the clock on either side of the chessboard, ensuring both players can reach it comfortably. When it's your turn, your timer will be running. After you've made your move, gently but firmly press the button on your side of the clock. This action stops your timer and activates your opponent's, signaling that it's now their turn. Always make sure the clock is stable and doesn't interfere with the board or pieces. Time controls are a fundamental aspect of competitive chess. For instance, a common setting might be 90 minutes for 40 moves, followed by 30 minutes for the rest of the game. The most critical rule is that if your time runs out, you lose the game, even if you have a winning position. Some clocks offer an increment, adding a small amount like 5 seconds to your clock after every move. Others have a delay, where your clock doesn't start counting down for a few seconds at the beginning of your turn. Effective time management is a key strategic skill in chess. Don't rush, but also avoid dwelling excessively on simple opening moves. Conserve your time for the more complex middle and end game phases. While your opponent is thinking, use that valuable time to analyze the board, anticipate their responses, and formulate your own plans. If you find yourself in time trouble, prioritize making solid, quick moves to avoid the devastating consequence of losing the game simply because your clock ran out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.